Hello students, I am your English mentor Lata Manwani and you are welcome to online classes of Darbar Government Senior Secondary English Medium School, Sambar Lake. Students, today we are going to read the chapter 1 of class 2nd, subject English, and the chapter's title is Swami Vivekanand. Students, once the world's parliament, religion parliament, has conducted a conference. The platform was the Parliament of Religion, and it was related to all the world, whole the world. The saints related to whole world came to this platform, and they represented themselves and their countries. And students, Swami Vivekanand also went to Chicago. The parliament was held in Chicago in 1893. 11th September 1893, I think, is the date. And he went to represent India. And when he went to the parliament, how he represented himself, what he said, that the whole representative of world applauds him. They applaud him by making 5 minutes loud clapping in praise of him. And students, we will know about that, what words he had said on that parliament, and what was the meaning of that words, how he represented himself and India also. Students, Swami Vivekanand was a great saint of India. As we know, there are many great saints of India, and Swami Vivekanand was the most popular among them. And it's the chapter is about the Swami Vivekanand. One incident of Swami Vivekanand's life is presented here, is referred in this chapter. Swami Vivekanand was a great saint of India. He represented India in the Parliament of Religions. I have told you that once he went to the Parliament of World Religion and represented India. So he represented India in the Parliament of Religion, and the Parliament was held in Chicago. Okay, it was held in America on 11th September 1893. He addressed the audience by saying, students, I was telling you that what words he has said that make him applause and appreciated so loudly. He addressed the audience by saying what words he has said. Sisters and brothers of America. Students, the only words he said, sisters and brothers of America, and it was all the people clapped for a long time on this. On hearing these words, only sisters and brothers of America, the people present who were present there, they heard these two one sentence only. All the people clapped for a long time on this. On hearing this, they clapped for a long time. This address has a basic value of great Indian culture. Students, we generally say in assembly, sisters and brothers. These are the common words in India, but these sisters and brothers were not common in the world. Sisters and brothers means bhaiyon or behno. If you are saying bhaiyon and behno, brothers and sister, to all the people present there, that means they are your family, and you are addressing them that they are your family. And this is the main theme of Indian culture. This address has a basic value of great Indian culture. It's our Indian culture that we consider all the world's people as brothers and sisters. This value is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. This value is known as Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. It means the whole world is our family. Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam words meaning is the whole world is our family. So hearing these words, sisters and brothers of America, they they taken this word in deep sense and they clapped for a long time on these words. Okay, students, Swami Vivekananda has also given us some words also. Arise, awake, stop not until the goal is reached. This is the model sentence of Swami Vivekananda. He has said, he has given to us that arise, utho, awake, jago, stop not until the goal is reached, and stop not, रुको मत, until the goal is reached, जब तक कि आपको आपका लक्ष्य न मिल जाए. This is the आदर्श वाक्य means the model sentence of Swami Vivekananda, and we students, you have to learn this sentence. Okay, and उत्तिष्ठ उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत प्राप्य वरना वरानी बोधत मीन्स उठो जागो रुको नहीं तक कि जब तक कि लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति न हो जाए. These are the words of Swami Vivekananda in Hindi. And students, this was about the event that happened to Swami Vivekananda's life and that happened to the world's parliament, world's religion parliament. And students, now there is glossary. We will do some glossary, some word meanings. Saint, the first word is saint. Saint means sadhu. Religion means dharma. Parliament means संसद. एंड ऑडियंस श्रोता, सुनने वाले. एड्रेस मीन्स संबोधन. कल्चर मीन्स संस्कृति. एंड वर्ल्ड मीन्स संसार. Okay, you have to do this glossary in your copy in notebook. And students, there is some speaking activity. Let's speak vowel A. A T, at. We have to pronounce it as A T, at. As we will join B word to at, B A T, bat. And the word C A T, cat. H A T, hat. R A T, rat. Okay, students? Speaking activity has another exercise. Let's speak vowel A. N. First we will speak. We will read this word A N like N. Okay. And now join F word to N. F A N, fan. M A N, man. P A N, pan. V A N, van. Okay. Read aloud. Read after me. Fan, man, pan, van. F A N, fan. M A N, man. P A N, pan. V A N, van. Okay, students? Now, students, there is some exercise. You have to fill in the blank with the appropriate word. Okay, the first question is, Swami Vivekananda was a great dash of India. Swami Vivekananda was a great. Who was Swami Vivekananda? Swami Vivekananda was the saint of India. So we will fill here word saint. Okay. Swami Vivekananda was a great saint of India. Okay. The next question is, the Parliament of Religion was held in. We have studied, we have read this sentence in the chapter. The Parliament of Religion was held in. Where was the Parliament of Religion held? In America. Okay, so you will fill here the word America. Okay, students? The next question is, match the singular with plural. We also know that word singular words and plural words, we have to match them, singular word with the plural word. Okay, tiger. The plural of tiger word is tigers. Where is the tiger? Here is the tiger, so match this with tigers. Okay. Lion, the plural of lion is lions, so match this to lions. Boy, the plural of boy is boys. And girl, the plural of girl word is girls. And cow, the plural word for cow is cows. Okay, you have to match these sentences, these words to their plurals, and write down it there your notebook. Okay, students, match the following. We have to match the appropriate word for the appropriate picture. Man, first spelling is man, man, man. So join this man word with the man's picture. So here is the man's picture. Okay, the second word is van, WAN, van. So where is the van? At last is the van, we have to join this. And fan, FAN, fan. Where is fan? Here is the fan, you have to match this. And pen, where is the pen? The last option, pen, we will match to this picture, man, pen. Okay, students, match the following. You have to match these pictures to their spellings. Okay, the first spelling is hat, HAT, hat. Hat, where is hat? Here is the hat, so you will match this. And rat, 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 we will match this spelling to the picture of rat. And CAT, cat, we will match this to the cat. And BAT, bat, we will match this to the pet. Okay, students, so students, that's all for today. You will do this exercise, these matching words and these fill in the blank you have to do in your notebook, and send a pic of your homework in group. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day, students.